Hey guys, welcome back to another video. That intro was pretty bad. But hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, these villagers are really into me. And I got a pet wolf. I got a pet dog. Booyah, baby. Yeah, and since you can see that, I'm doing more survival. I did do lots of off-camera work. Well, not lots, but quite a bit. Right. But I got a dog off camera, which is amazing. I made a librarian with it. I made a lecture for a librarian. And look at what he trades. Fortune 3. Yeah. I made a little farm right there. And then I got a fishing rod. And guess what? This used to be a normal fishing rod. And the first thing I got from fishing was this. Luck of the Sea 3 and Unbreaking 3. How amazing is that? Like, that can't get any better. It's like, and that was the first thing I got from fishing, which is crazy. I haven't got anything good, though, except that. I've only been getting fish right now, but I hope I get stuff sooner. And there was a hairless cat, a furless cat, whatever it's called here. And those have like a higher chance of giving you a gift, I'm pretty sure. And there's one of those, but I think it despawned because I can't find it. Wolf? Yeah, so this is what I've been getting. I've just been eating some of my fish. I did add some steps up to my house, so it's a bit easier to get up. I'm gonna go see if I can find a fish. I mean the cat. I just got confused really bad. Doggy. Doggy. Oh, and I also made a bucket. And, alright, where the heck is my dog? Oh, there you are. You scared me, buddy. Alright. And something in my house that you guys are going to be surprised by. And also, if you're wondering why this is in such good condition, it's because, like my steps, I didn't do great, but it's because I got an anvil. I also got this bow from fishing. So, and as you can see, we have one iron ingot left. One iron ingot. Alright, and as you can remember from last video, I found these diamonds. I got some diamonds. So yeah, we have diamonds already in the second video. Alright, I'm just gonna make you sit here because I don't like you going anywhere. Alright, you can sit by the crafting table. Ow. I'm just gonna take that, jeez. I'm just gonna take that wheat. Alright, I have 7 wheat. I'll take these seeds to my garden, as yours stinks, and you can do it yourself. I also did this because I didn't have a bucket when I was making this, so this is when I did have a bucket. Dude, I really hope that villager doesn't mess anything up. Alright, there we go. And I will just eat this carrot. Hi there, buddy. Alright, so I have a protector, which is that iron golem, which is nice. And I found out that all the villagers love to hang out at, like, town hall. And I can do that to get them all to go home. And I am going to really quick get all this. Jeez. And this, I'm not going to turn into a bookshelf or anything. The only thing I'm doing with this, there's only one thing I'm doing with this. Expanding out the garden. Well, expanding out this. Yeah, I'm just expanding out this. Yeah, I want to expand it out a ton before I use it to sell books, bookshelves, paper, and all of that. I really need a cartographer because those guys can give you maps to the Woodland Mansion and stuff like that, but I'm not gonna do it yet because I don't have any armor. I'll just get one for the paper so I can sell it for paper, because paper is a really good thing to sell for. Alright, now we have like a sugarcane. You have to have sugarcane to get in this village. So that's gonna be helpful to have all that. Oh, here's a cat, here's a cat, here's a cat. Come on, catty. Oh, I scared it. Kitty, come on. Come on, kitty. Ah, darn it. I need more fish. I also want a cat so he or she will give me gifts. Because gifts are really helpful in Minecraft. Like, no kidding. Super helpful. Oh, I've had 15 iron this whole time. Okay, we're back up quite a bit of iron. I'm also going to smelt this. There we go. And now time to go to bed. Alright, I'll let that smelt. I need some fish. Because I want that cat. Because I like black cats. Because they look like they're evil. Alright, fishing time. Do. Alright, fishy, come on. What's that? What's that? What's that? What does that have on it? Curse of Vanishing. I don't want Curse of Vanishing. I really need an AFK fish farm. It's a thing, but it needs so much iron. We're gonna have to get lots of iron for it. Ah, fish. Exactly what I wanted. And also, I also do want so I need a cat. That villager right there, he'll be my mapping guy. Cartographic, I don't know what it is, tables guy. Now, I'm gonna go make that right now, actually. I wanna see how you make it. Because I'm pretty sure you need logs, but I'll just go check here. Here, I'll just mine this tree. Just to see if you need logs. I'm pretty sure you do. I also will make a grindstone, so a lot of stuff that I fish out of the water that has enchantments that I don't like, I can just grind them off for XP. I'll wait until it drops saplings. Like that. Place that there. Place that one there. My tree farm's growing slowly. Alright, so the crafting table. Alright, here. 2 pieces of paper. I wasted all my sugar cane. Darn it. And I need planks, so yeah. I'll just get 3 pieces over there. I'll just get those 3 pieces right there. So I'm just gonna put that in there because that's the wrong. Wait, actually, I need that back. There, our house is complete for now. I will expand it, maybe today. Who knows? Ow. One, two, three. Alright, I need to head back up to my house. If I was in creative, that would. If I had like a flying thing I could do, that would be so helpful. I could just fly up and be like, oh yeah. It would be so much quicker instead of running up the stairs 60 bajillion times. There we go. Now if I go to this, where is it? Here we go, and craft. And then I'll put this paper in there. Alright, one of the villagers without a job, I will give a job, so they'll be happy. Do you have a job? Become that. Darn it. I don't think those guys can actually get a job, those green guys. Because I've tried giving them jobs, they've never gotten a job for me. I know you guys. Oh, there's the cat. I want the cat more than the job. Kitty, 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 kitty. Kitty. Kitty, kitty, kitty. 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 No, kitty. That's gonna take him forever. Come on. Alright, I'm just gonna. I got him. Come on, kitty. Let's go. Oh my gosh, I tamed a cat. He's gonna be giving me gifts. Come on, kitty. Do you teleport? Come on. Why are you so slow? Oh, hi. Will you? Oh, he does teleport. There's your job. Ooh. Empty map. Bad boy. Wait. You trade paper. Yes, you do. Here, I'm just gonna break this just to refresh your trades. I want to see if you trade for anything actually better or worse. Empty map, same thing. Alright. You're gonna stay right here. You're gonna come with me, kitty. I might, ignore the background noises. It's just my little sister. Come on, kitty. I have a little space for you in my house. Oh, stick. Stick. Saplings. I like stick, saplings. I just want this to, I want to change this forest all into my trees. All into my old tree. Where are you, kitty? Oh, you're still over there. Cats these days. And I am still a bit sick, so please do. Oh, you do teleport. Oh, of course you sit on the chest. Of course you have to. You just had to. Sit on the chest. You sit there, not here. Here, Here, I have an idea. I have a good idea. I have a good idea. Perfect. That's a perfect amount. Alright, kitty. Oh. These go the wrong way. They're not breaking. Alright, there we go. If I do that and that, you open the wrong way again, you dumb trapdoors. wanted it to do like, I need to do that and that. There we go. Now if I make you stand, can I still open this? And I can. You can't get past it. Ah, take that, kitty. I've outsmarted the kitty. Aw, and that's a better place to stay. Alright, it's turn night. Let's go check our farm. And I think I may start like a little mine shaft here in this episode. Oh wow, this is growing nice, boys. I'm gonna do a bit of fishing over at the ocean because oceans are actually a bit better to fish at because there's a higher chance of fish coming and items. Well, I think that's true because it's been happening to me. I gotta do it before the sun goes down. I hate fishing at night. Alright, you know what? I'll just fish here for now. Come on, fishies, you know you want to hook on or items. I'd rather ask for items. A novel shell. Ooh, those are good. Really good. If I get 8 and I have a heart of the sea, I can make a conduit, which makes me breathe forever. I also want to breed turtles and all that junk because they can give me things to craft the turtle shell helmet thing, which allows you to breathe underwater for a longer amount of time, which is going to be super helpful. But if I get more knowledge shells before, then it's kind of just, I don't really need it. But conduits are very hard to get because you need to get so many nautilus shells, and nautilus shells are kind of rare. Actually, by kind of rare, pretty rare. I've only got them from fishing and killing drowns, but there might be some other ways. Alright, kitty, where are you? Did you eat him? No, I'm not going. Look at, he sleeps right next to me. So cute. So cute. Did you give me a gift? No. Bad kitty. Bad kitty. You give me gifts, and I'll feed you. You know, no gift, no food. How's this grow? Right, it's growing nicely. I may craft another chest because I'm almost out of space in my chest. Alright, this guy's still doing well. Wait. Where's my cartographer? Are you him? Did a zombie eat him? No, please say a zombie didn't eat him. I think a zombie did eat him. Darn it. That's so unfortunate. Alright, now you're the new guy. Oh, you trade the same thing. Okay, let's build this guy a little house to sleep in, well, to live in. Because his other buddy kinda had a bit of a bleh. If you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, this is just gonna be a shelter. I'm not gonna make anything fancy. I'm not giving him any windows. He's just gonna have to live in a dark room. I'm being very harsh to my villagers and cats. Alright, I'll see you when I'm done. Alright guys, I am back. I am killing the last sheep for his bed. because he's gonna sleep in there for the rest of his life. Yeah, I'm being a bit harsh for him because I want him to stay safe. So I just need to eat this mutton, throw the last piece out, and run. These doors will be helpful to have on hand because they can make air pockets underwater, so I'm going to keep them on hand. Don't think of any ideas, buddy. Alright, and then if I do that, bed, this guy has his own little place. Please do not suffocate, buddy. Alright, he has his own little place. So he's good. I'm gonna collect some of this. It's just so satisfying just breaking this because it breaks one hit, and if you have it fully grown, it's so satisfying, but it does get a bit laggy. I have to head back over to that guy with my sugar cane. If I do 21 paper, that should give me about one emerald. No, 24. I have 2 sugar cane left. You're lucky. And he's holding an emerald. Oh, you little. I'll get him. I'll trade with him one day. One day, he'll be traded with. One day, he will. I'm just doing some fishing, having a great time fishing. A lily pad. Out of everything, a lily pad. I guess this is a nice fishing spot on this lily pad. But really, out of everything you could have got, I got a lily pad. I really want a saddle so I can tame a horse. I really want a horse. Because then you can travel really fast around places, which is going to be really nice. It's really cold in my basement. And please ignore the background sounds. Just my family getting dinner ready. So, while I do this. Ooh, level 15, nice. I actually hit that fish. So gold. Alright. I'll see you when I catch something else. Guys. Saddle. I got a saddle. From fishing. This is what Luck of the Sea does for you. It's real nice. And it's nighttime. And that was going to be my last fish. That was going to be my last, little fishing thing. And I just got... I just got a saddle. How lucky am I? First we got diamonds. Now I got a saddle. And now I'm going to get a horse. Booyah, baby. Come on, cat. Let's do this. Aw, he was about to sleep on me. Did you get me anything? No. Bad cat. I'm still gonna feed you this time, though. I'll still feed you. You didn't have any food for a little bit. There. I get to rest. I need another cat so I can breed them and then get tons of cats. No, I just wasted my fish. I just ate my fish and there's another cat already. I'm just gonna get like 3 fish and then go for it. Oh, I want that cat super bad. I love that type of cat. It's so cute. Why did that go over here? Come on, kitty. Come on. Ah, darn it. I'll get you, cat. I will get that cat. If it's the last thing I do, I'll get that cat. That cat's just peeking around the corner like, hi, you're not gonna get me. But I will get him. I'm just gonna get lots of fish. I didn't even get a fish. What is that? Infinity! Oh. Okay. That is better than fish. But I need fish right now. I don't want bows with enchantments or anything. I need fish. Yeah, like that. I just need one more fish. About one more fish. Why does fishing take so much time? iPad fishing is a lot better than this fishing. Why did my cat just teleport here? Yes. Food. Food for the cat. Alright, come on, catty. Catty. I said catty. Alright, kitty. Come here. I got some food for you. Aw, I did the slightest. Alright, come here, kitty. Come here. He's so cute. I got double cats. I got 2 cats. I got 2 cats. I got 2 cats. I got 2 cats. Hey guys, how you doing? I can breed them now. I can breed my cats, which will be amazing. And then, so those are the only 2 cats I really need. Unless I find a skinless cat. Skinless, I mean hairless. But those I can breed, which will be awesome. When you can breed cats, you will be the crazy cat person soon. Alright. I need lots of fish if I'm gonna breed them. So I'm gonna start doing some fishing and then I'll breed them. For a second I thought I saw a creeper. Kitties? I hear them. I can't find them though. Kitties? Kitties? If I run far enough, they'll teleport to me. Kitties. 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 What? Where are they? Kitties. Kitties. There's one of them. Do you see my other kitty? I think he's sitting somewhere. Oh, there you guys are. You guys scared me. Let me feed you guys. I think they're mating. Oh, baby. Are you guys gonna mate? They made it! Oh, it's so cute! Alright, can you sit though, little kitty? Alright, you sit. You're so cute! Here, let me speed up your growth process. There. Here, let's head up to our house so I can put you in my house. Come here, kitties. You guys are so cute. You came in a line. Oh, you're so cute. I'm gonna go get a horse real quick, and once I get one, I will see you guys. And we'll end the video then. Okay, see you guys when I have a horse. Alright guys, actually, there's a horse right here in the village, so I'll just tame this guy. Because you're cute. Because they're cute. Will I get you? Come on. This horse really doesn't like me. Come on, horse. Yay! Did it! Yay! Alright, dun 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 dun. Now I have a horse. That's very slow going backwards. Why are horses so slow backwards? How do I get him out? Can you get out? Can you get out, little horsey? I need to do. Horsey, get out! I'm just gonna break a hole in the fence. No big deal. I feel like this takes longer on a horse. Like a super long time. Yeah, this does take longer on a horse. Why is that? Oh, now you can come out? Wait, can you jump a fence, horsey? I don't think he can jump a fence. Jump the damn fence. What should I name this guy? You guys tell me in the comments why I should name him when I get a name tag. Because that's gonna be helpful. Alright, how high does this guy actually jump? This guy is a horrible jumper. I'll leave him in his pen for now. I'm just gonna put that right back. There we go. Alright, if I get a name tag, what should I name him, guys? Tell me down in the comments below, and if I see a good name I really like, I will do it. So if someone says like Bob, I will name him Bob. If I like it, or if he's the only one that comments, or she. But if someone comments a good name I like, I will do that. I'm just gonna see if I can fish up a name tag, and then I'll end the video. I'm probably not. I'm just gonna do one more fish after this. I'm just gonna catch one more thing after this, and I'll end the video. I'm just having so much fun in this series. But it goes by so fast. The videos just like go by so fast. I wish I had a bit more time to play. Alright, one more before the sun goes down. I just really wish I had more time to play this game. It's just such a fun game, Minecraft. Like, Minecraft is so popular right now. Like, it used to be Fortnite, but now, look it's Minecraft. Like, this is the trendy thing right now. So, and also, it's just a fun game in general. And if you like and subscribe and And tell me down in the comments down below, and I'll give you a heart. I'll reply a heart to you guys, and yeah. I'm gonna catch this last thing. It's just so fun. I'm gonna catch this last thing, and then I'll end the video after we sleep and see if I get a gift from my new kitties. Those kitties are the best. I could smooch them, even though they would be very hairy and gross. I could still do it if I can get up this without a zombie attacking me or something. Alright, guys. Stand up. Hop on me. Hop onto me. Give me a gift. No gift? Oh, rabbit foot. Hey, you guys are nice. Another baby. Oh. I know what the title is going to be on this video, but time to end this video, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. See you guys next time. Bye!